Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by turning on Gboard's handwriting so you can write directly. Open Settings and go to Languages and Input. Tap Gboard, then Languages, and add the language you need. Make sure handwriting is selected. Once done, enable the handwriting toggle for that language. This installs the input method. You do this to let Gboard recognize strokes rather than typed keys, which improves accuracy for cursive or character scripts. Now switch to your keyboard. To confirm the handwriting, with handwriting enabled, open any app and tap a text field to bring up Gboard, then tap the keyboard icon or globe to cycle to handwriting mode. You write with your finger or a stylus, short strokes for letters and continuous strokes for cursive, and Gboard converts shapes to text. Make sure to lift between separate characters when recognition fails, and use the suggested candidates bar to pick the right word. If you need punctuation, tap the correct key, or write the punctuation mark directly. Finish by fine-tuning handwriting settings in Gboard. Adjust recognition accuracy, personalization, and erase sensitivity so Gboard better matches your strokes. Allow personalization if you want the keyboard to learn your style. Over time, it reduces errors. If input keeps failing, make sure the language model is installed, clear Gboard cache, or switch back to typing temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip. Restart the keyboard by toggling handwriting off and on. This refreshes model.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.